Korean Air Boeing 777 is taking off. It's getting ready for takeoff right now. Right, so you see here. Then you will get to see the Boeing 747 takeoff as well. Waiting for clearance. It's doing the roll now. Alright. It's moving now. Look at that. Yes, sir. Let's go, Korean Air Boeing 777. Let's go. Look at that. Let's see if this one appear in the sky as well. In the cloud, because it's cloudy over there. Where is it? Alright, come on. Come on, climb. There you go. Good boy. Now you see me, and now you don't. It's appearing inside the cloud there. God. Alright guys, so I'm gonna stay here. Let's focus on the Boeing 747. It's gonna be taken off pretty soon as well. It's now lined up probably behind one of the plane. Oh, it's not. It's actually now making a turn, and then it's gonna wait for clearance for takeoff. Right, so good opportunity to see the 747 taking off here from Incheon International Airport. Right, look at that. It's coming into frame right now. Right, so this guy just gonna and then pause or stop, briefly stand still for a moment, waiting for clearance, of course waiting for the turbulence, the wake turbulence to die down. And now it's getting the clearance, doing the roll right now. Let's go. Let's go guys. So Boeing 747 here. Asiana Air taking off from Incheon International Airport here in Seoul, Korea. Alright. Let's do this. Look at that. Look at that. Whoa. Look at that. Climb. Yes. Look at that. Massive plane taking off from Incheon International Airport. Asiana Air Cargo Boeing 747. Alright, look at that. Now you see me, and now you don't. Right? Kind of like disappear inside the cloud. Alright. Alright guys, that is good. Thank you for watching. Alright.